In this video, let's look at how we can make use of the Gemini 1.5 Pro large language model to actually make an educational video interactive. The idea is to upload an educational video, find out what are the concepts which are discussed in the educational video, find out at what point of time in the video these concepts are being discussed about, then create some questionnaires based on these topics. And how do we insert back these, what are the timestamps where these questions should be inserted back, right? So Gemini 1.5 Pro is now available for anyone without any wait list. It is available on the Google AI Studio. So once you log into Google AI Studio with your Gmail account, all you need to do is that you can create a new chat prompt, a free form prompt, or a structured prompt. Okay. So in this case, I have created a chat prompt. Okay. Then what I've done is I've uploaded a video. The video which I've uploaded is this particular educational video of mine, which talks about word2vec. It's a detailed explanation. It is a 30 minutes video. So it took some time to process this video, and when it processed this video and converted it into text, there was close to 489k tokens. Okay. So in this particular LLM, it has support up to 1 million tokens, right? So this particular video was 489k tokens, right? And then I asked this particular model, Gemini 1.0 Pro, what is this video about? It says this video is about word2vec, a technique for learning word embeddings. Word embeddings are vector representation of words that are captured that capture their semantic meaning. It gives about this. Then I ask, can you split the video into concepts? Okay, that is what I wanted to identify in this particular video. What were the concepts which are discussed? Then it says that here are the main concepts covered in the video, split into sections. So it says introduction is from this first 20 seconds. What is word2vec? Why is word2vec important? Then what is the motivation? Okay, for word2vec models. Okay, continuous bag of words, skip gram, training skip gram model, how to generate training samples from text, the skip gram neural network architecture. Talks about the hidden layer, the output layer, issues with skip gram training, sampling rate. It also gives timestamps over here, right? Negative sampling, word2vec hyperparameters, training a word2vec model, how to train a word2vec model using the GenSim library in Python, visualizing a word2vec model, how to use TSNE to reduce the dimensionality of word vectors, how to visualize word vectors in a 2D scatter plot, followed by conclusion. Okay. Now, let us just verify these timings. Okay, with I have actually manually annotated this video over here when I had uploaded it to YouTube. Okay, so here if you see at 17 minutes into the video, I talk about the word2vec demo, and here if you see at 17 minutes, it talks about training a word2vec model. Okay, using the GenSim library in Python, right? Then I talk about visualizing a word2vec model 28. So if you go over here, I have not annotated it, but then if you go to this video at 28, okay, 26, 27, 28, right? And here
when you write, your tone influences how readers respond. With Grammarly, just highlight your text and type how you
from the tutorial over here.
So here I talk about visualizing using
the GenSim tutorial basically.
Okay.
So for that, what we need to do is that we need.
So it has actually identified the concepts in this video along with proper timestamps. Okay. I have just uploaded the video over here as is, the raw video which I have recorded. Okay. I have not anywhere said that, okay, these are the timings for these concepts and other things. Okay. So it has automatically identified. Right. And this is an half an hour long video with close to 489k tokens. Okay. Then what I ask next is like, can you generate 3 multiple choice questions for each section? Okay. So here it says no content. This error keeps coming once a while. Okay, so I again ask this question, can you generate 3 multiple choice questions for each concept? So then it says for each concept covered in the video, here are 3 multiple choice questions. So it says what is word2vec. It generates, these are the answers, a technique for learning word embeddings, a type of neural network, natural language processing task, all of the above. Then it generates a question, why is word2vec important? Okay, again gives answers, right? Choice, multiple choice answers. Which is the following is not a benefit of using word2vec? Again, it gives this, 4 questions. Then for each section, it has actually generated 3 multiple choice questions along with the answers. Okay, right? Which word2vec model is typically faster to train? If you look at training skip-gram model, so for every topic, every concept over there, it has generated these, questions with their answers. Okay. Then what I do is that next I ask, right? Let me go over here. And then I ask, like, how about answer for these questions? It actually gives the answers. Okay. It did not give it properly over here. Okay. So then I went and again asked over here, like, it did not give the answer properly over here. So I went and asked, like, I was asking about the correct answers to the questions, not the answers alone. Okay. In the wording, there was a mistake over there. So here it says, okay, for the first question, this is the correct answer. For the second question, this is the correct answer. For the third question, this is the correct answer. Okay. And so on. And these answers are correct. I checked it out. Okay. So the answers are correct answers for those questions. Okay. So then what I ask is that in the next prompt I ask is like, what are the timestamps to insert these questions interactively into the video? Okay. So that's important, right? So here it gives the timestamps where you can insert this multiple choice questions which has been generated. Okay. So these are the various sections. So you can actually insert the questions at these timestamps by using a video editing software. Again, I asked, like, what are the timestamps to insert these questions interactively into the video? It says insert questions 1, 2, 3 around this timestamp and so on. Okay. So this is actually quite interesting. So you can take a video, give it to Gemini 1.5 Pro. It can automatically identify the concepts or topics which are being discussed. It can identify timestamps where these topics have been discussed in the video. You can prompt it to generate questions along with the answers. You can then interactively, you can create a video editing software, or you can develop a front end UI where you can put these video along with these questions at those timestamps. In this way, you are actually making an educational video interactive, right? You are trying to help this person who's looking at the video to recall concepts as and when it has been discussed in the particular video. Okay, this is something like on Coursera also you might have some videos where some questions pop up right in the between, where you try to answer the questions and then move on to the rest of the topic, right, rest of the video. So now you can use Gemini 1.5 Pro to automatically do this, right? And then you have some effort to edit just to check if the questions are proper, are the timestamps proper, and just do that. Okay, so this kind of increases productivity for creating such interactive videos. Okay, and this is a half an hour video which was close to 489k tokens. I tried uploading a 2 hours video, but it was too long. Okay, so if something exceeds this 1 million token context, obviously it's not going to work. But what was written was Gemini 1.5 Pro can handle 1 hour videos. Okay, so this was, I think if you double this video and if there is more text in the videos, then obviously 1 hour, it might be a little bit more than 1 hour also sometimes. It could be a little bit lesser than 1 hour also. It depends upon the amount of text tokens which are present in the video. So this is a short video on how you can use Gemini 1.5 Pro for kind of generating quizzes on your educational content, or to generate questions and make your educational content interactive. To identify, you can also get notes out of this educational video, to identify timestamps in the video where certain topics are discussed, right? To interactively put questions at those timestamps. So it can serve multiple purposes. I hope this video is useful. You can also go and try out Gemini 1.5 Pro. It is now available for all without any wait list. So you can upload a video and try this. You can upload a text file also and try some of these question answer generation ideas. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.